So let's do this. I ordered something on Wish. You know, this app that you can order one thing and then sometime later you get something that doesn't look what you order. But I placed my order January 1st. It was delivered January 16th, so it was delivered in 2 weeks. And let me show you what I got. And then this is supposed to be a hiking stick multi-tool, like such. And let's see what's inside.
It feels really nice. Feels nice and sturdy, actually. I'm surprised. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, nothing else in the bag. Let's see. Twist the bottom. Okay.
Fire starter? Harpoon?
So this is attachments you get. You get a can opener with some saw and some blade on the side, fire starter thing, another smaller saw, and the harpoon. And this side is a glass breaker and a hammer. And here is the primary reason I bought this item, because you can turn your hiking stick into a pretty much spear. And when you're done, you can be back your hiking stick. That also has a lot of durability. It can be used as a defense against, I don't know, what you can run into when you go outdoors. The total length from the bottom to the tip of the spear is almost 44 inches. Well, first of all, I'm not getting paid from this doing my review or anything like that, okay? It's just me sharing with you my experience. This is probably the most durable item I ever got from Wish. This is tough. This is durable. You can break the window if you're hiking and there's a window, so you can break them. Don't do that if it's not emergency, okay? You can use it as a hammer. If you don't want to use the whole thing and you have time, you can undo the part and use this as a hammer. You can use this part as a saw. You can also switch this hammer into different configuration. So it's gonna look like a hammer. Ta-da! Okay, where's my hammer? Now you can use it as a hammer, or like if in case you trap in a building and you need to break the glass to get out, you can use this side or this side. You need to start a fire. you have this fire starter. If you don't need a saw, but you need to open the bottle to drink something, here it is. There's a bottle opener with this side is blade. It's not really sharp, you have to sharpen it. And this side is another saw, right? And then if you use the fire starter, it's this part, you know, let's see. If you're going spearfishing and you need a harpoon, here it is. I actually enjoying this purchase. It's gonna be so much fun now. I don't have to carry a bunch of different knives. Oh, I'm still gonna carry my knives. So, choice of which one goes where, it's totally up to you, your personal preferences. I'm going to have the opener with a blade, with a saw, at the bottom with the fire starter. Next one, I'm going to have this saw, because I don't think, I already have this one already available, so I don't really need that one. And I'm going to put the empty link in the middle. And the top would be my harpoon. For Sparta or Asgard. For Asgard, you need a hammer. Now you're all set. Now we can go hike, kill fish, protect Sparta, break glass, punch some nails in. Yeah. If you happen to forget where is which attachment, you can easily find it. See, harpoon, nothing. Saw, opener, and a saw, and a blade. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye now. Stay safe.